Maniwala kayo, legit na mag-friends talaga sina Atisa Manalo from the Philippines and Tata from Indonesia na nanalo as Miss Cosmo 2024. Akala kasi ng iba, hindi talaga sila friends. Lalong-lalo na doon sa speech ni Tata after ng kanyang pagkapanalo na tila daw ay pinapasaringan niya si Atisa Manalo. Kaya pakinggan natin.
Thank you. Such a straightforward question. I don't think I have to tell them anything. I just have to show, we had 3 weeks of quarantine where we are watched every day and being observed every day. If we didn't perform our best, try our best, even though our legs are hurting, even though we want to sleep all day in bed and make up excuses, we wouldn't be here. And what I've learned from Miss Cosmo is we don't talk, we walk. Thank you.
Have nothing good to say, don't do it. Don't say it. Don't type it. These are 20-year-olds you guys are criticizing. You guys never forgot that. But all of us went through a process in life. And I assure you, everybody's life is not easy. I assure you that as easy as it looks, it's not easy. Okay? Living your life, di omongin tetangga juga easy. Imagine living your life, di omongin orang-orang you guys don't even know.
At ang isa pa dito ay yung pag-comment ni Tata ng what doon sa picture ni Atisa Manalo. I think bago ata itong in-upload niyang picture sa kanyang Instagram account. And marami na naman ang na-confuse at ang daming nag-react sa what, yung what na one word lang na comment ni Tata. Agad naman nag-respond si Atisa Manalo at nadismaya siya. So dito sa post niya, I'm so disappointed with how a lot of us have been acting. Quit bullying Tata. She's my friend, and when you say mean things to her, you're saying it to me. I've watched the video you are all referring to, and she didn't mean in any way it's me. Kung iisipin mo nga naman, di ba, yung pagkasabi ni Tata doon sa kanyang speech after being crowned, yung tipong parang generic yung pagka-deliver niya. Yun nga lang kasi, mataas ang emosyon ng mga Pinoy fans and parang na-misinterpret nila na parang pinaparinggan ni Tata si Atisa Manalo, kaya ang daming nag-react. Nakarating na nga rin kay Miss Tata Astrid itong ingay. So, nag-reply siya at pinost niya sa kanyang Instagram stories. So, eto na. We don't talk, we talk. To me, meant following through on promises. I never intended to use that phrase to attack or hurt a friend. I was simply responding to a question, and my answer was meant only for that specific context. I am truly sorry for that words that came across negatively, as that was not my intention. I take full responsibility for how it was received. Atisa has always been a true friend to me, and it never crossed my mind that what I said would make people think it was directed to her. She is one of the many female leaders I admire and look up to, and it was an honor to stand alongside her in this journey. So discrediting or invalidating someone's struggles or pain was never my intention. This was not all the message I intended to convey. I know that I have the utmost respect for all of the queens. We have all worked incredibly hard to get where we are today, and I feel deeply grateful to be part of their journey. Just as mahirap siyang basahin, no? They are also part of mine. So I completely understand where all the confusion is coming from, and I am truly sorry for it. Ayan. Kaya, ibig sabihin, friends talaga silang dalawa. Kasi nag-compliment silang dalawa and inayos nila yung confusion na lumalabas kayo sa social media. Kasi nga medyo matindi yung mga pangbabash, especially kay Tata. Kasi nga, di ba, kahit na hindi nakapasok si Atisa sa top 5, marami talaga ang disappointed and medyo mataas ang level ng emosyon. So, talagang ganun yung nangyayari, hahanap ng butas para mailabas ang hinanakit sa resulta ng Miss Cosmo 2024. Pero syempre, importante pa rin na make peace, not war. O, di ba? Kaya nga, yung iba medyo kinokontrol na nila yung pambabash nila. It's because wala rin namang mabuting maidudulot kapag patuloy pa rin na ibabash yung nanalo. Kung ako yung tatanungin nyo, mas pipiliin ko pa rin ang diplomacy. Which means na mas doon ako sa positivity rather than spreading toxicity. Kasi walang maidudulot ang pagiging toxic, pagiging nega, kapag bash ka ng bash, tapos masasayang pa yung oras mo. And kapag may mga bashings na nangyayari, nagkakaroon yan ng cycle. So, banatan yan ng pride. So, let us accept kung ano man yung resulta doon sa Miss Cosmo, and we should be happy kasi malaking bagay na rin yung pagpasok ni Atisa sa top 10. So alangan naman na malegwak siya, no? And pasalamat tayo, hindi siya nalegwak. So for me, malaking karangalan na yon kasi nire-represent ni Atisa ang Pilipinas. And I do hope na medyo mag-subside na ang ating emosyon para hindi na matuloy-tuloy ang mga bashing. Kaya nga si Atisa mismo, sinabi niya na let us just celebrate her friend's win sa Miss Cosmo bilang pinakauna na nanalo sa pageant na yan sa kanyang first edition. So alam naman natin na malakas yung laban ni Atisa, alam natin na ang ganda ng performance niya, yung pinakita niya at ibinandera talaga niya ang Pilipinas, nag-training siya at nag-invest talaga siya ng bongga. Pero yun nga lang talaga, hindi naka-align yung stars para sa kanya sa Cosmo. So, kahit na nung pagreklamo, kahit na magwelga tayo sa kalsada, tapos na, nangyari na. Kahit na magkalat tayo sa mga social media, wala na rin tayo magagawa kasi may winner na. And top 10 si Atisa Manalo. So, we should be happy for her accomplishment kasi matagumpay niyang ibinandera ang Pilipinas all the way through top 10. And hindi biro makapasok sa top 10 ang isang international pageant contestant. So, let us be always thankful and accept na lang natin kung ano yung naging resulta maski ayaw man natin or gustuhin na. Kaya nga yung last phrase ni Atisa Manalo dito is, let us keep the spirit of women empowerment and let us celebrate for Tata's win. So, yan mismo yung sinabi ni Atisa Manalo sa kanyang comment, sa kanyang IG account. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating mga pageant vlogs and mag-vlog na ako sa mga personal vlogs. So, if you want more updates sa pageantry and kung gusto nyo pa ako makilala, syempre, ayan, mag-follow lang kayo dito sa lahat ng social media accounts ko. So, always remember to think positive. That's all. Mwah! Bye-bye!